Hi, Nick Ellis of PcComputerGuy here, and we're going to be showing you a new system that we built for a customer. Kevin of Advanced Autos called us and said that he wanted a nice fast computer for his son for a gaming system. So we went ahead and built that together. And this is what we have. We have a very nice case with plenty of ventilation both in the front and on the top to keep the system cool, but at the same time quiet, which is something that always has bothered me, is loud computers. We got a DVD drive here in the front, and this actually supports USB 3, which is the new super fast USB standard. So we got USB 3 ports here and in the back. Inside of it is an NVIDIA GeForce 560, and we've got 8 gig of RAM in the system, as well as a 256 gig solid state drive that Windows and most things will run off of, and a 1 terabyte traditional hard drive. So here's the computer right here. If I go ahead and shut it down and start it back up, this is what I want to show you. This is incredible. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the shutdown over here. Computer's already turned off. If I boot the system back up, the boot up time of this thing is just incredible. I mean, I just like watching the system boot up. It starts so quickly. Right here is the BIOS or EFI doing its initial startup. Starting Windows. Computer's up and running, and right here we have the hard drive light that's indicating to me done. A lot of times when you see your desktop, your computer actually still needs to load quite a bit of things. This hard drive already indicates that it's done, so the computer's completely booted up, ready to go. So that was not very much time at all. In fact, it didn't even show the welcome screen, which is normally what you see. I'm going to go ahead, and it's also connected to the surround sound system through optical connection. And if I just launch something such as Google Chrome that I prefer to use here, the thing pops up nearly instantaneously. And if we try to pull up some websites here, the computer is just basically instantaneous for just about anything that it does. So if I close this guy down, and over here I have a NVIDIA demonstration. And if I go ahead and run this guy, and let's go ahead and launch it. So this is actually testing the graphics card itself, and the quality and the smoothness and the detail of everything is incredible. This is not running SLI, so it doesn't have 2 video cards linked together. I tend not to be too much of a SLI fan, because by the time you're ready to add a second card, then you might as well just upgrade to a different card itself. That's just my personal view. But you see, the quality of this is just incredible. If I bring it up to the benchmark statistics over here, you can see we are getting about 45 to it maxed out earlier while I was running the demonstration at 66 frames per second, but it's averaging around 43, 44. Now it's up to 45 frames per second. So very nice system. And I'm just going to go ahead and exit out of this. And close this down. And if I go ahead and just shut down the computer again, computer's turned off. So I just wanted to demonstrate the speed of this computer. This is what you can do with some solid state hard drives and a little bit of gear or equipment. If you want something nice like this built, just give me a call. My number is 317-883-7224.